If you're looking forward to brighten your skin, I mean 5 times brightening, okay, that's the kind of brightening I'm talking about today. This particular video is a video that you should watch from the beginning till the end so that you will get the particular product that would help you brighten your skin so well. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and in today's video I'll be talking about Fuzia shower cream. I've reviewed this particular shower cream when I newly, started my channel. You understand? If you have been an OG, you would have seen this particular video that I'm talking about on my channel. Okay, but then I only used the one that contained the goat milk and the pearl powder. But now I have added 3 more variants or 3 more variations of the particular brand to the one that I have used, and I'm here to tell you how they worked for me and the best one that would help to brighten your skin, soothing your skin, make you look plump and appear youthful. All right, so this kind of video is kind of video that you have been looking for on the internet to help you know the best Fuzia shower cream to buy. Okay, this particular video is for you. So we will starting off with the first one that I've used in the past, which is this particular one, goat milk with milk bath and pearl powder, and I use this for a long period of time. I started trying out other variations. Okay, so this particular one keeps your skin glowing, it keeps you radiant, it contains pearl powder which purifies and rejuvenates your skin. Like if you're looking forward to have that brighter skin tone, to have that softer skin tone, have an even skin tone, this particular one is one I would advise that you go for. Okay, it also moisturizes your skin and takes away dry skin. Like in fact, this particular brand, I think they took their time in making this product to be really, really moisturizing, because each time I use this while I'm bathing and I'm out of the shower, my skin does not appear dry. Okay, so I would say that it's safe for dry skin to use. So if you're a dry skin girly and you're looking for a shower cream that will deeply moisturize your skin, even from the very first step you're taking in the shower, which has to be having your bath, okay, this particular product is a product I will recommend for you anytime, any day for you to purchase. Okay, if you purchase this, you're not going to regret it. Also, it takes away dry skin, just like I said, it takes away dry skin. Okay, and the cover or the cap appears to be purple in case you are looking for this particular product in the market or the store that you normally shop from. The cap appears to be purple. The cap's color is purple in color. Okay, it also nourishes the skin and brightens your skin over time, like when you use it over time. And if I'm to rate this particular Fuzia shower cream, I will rate it 7/10. Reason being that it was not my best, okay, although I used it over time, and this was the one I started with, so I will rate it 7/10, because if it was not good, I will not repurchase and I will not stick to this brand. So coming to the second one that I have used that worked for me, it has to be this particular one that contains green tea. This particular one that contains green tea is very, very good. Okay, this one does not really brighten the skin. I purchased this because the day I went to the shopping mall to get my skincare products, I found out that the only Fuzia that they had was this particular one, and I've already ran out of my Fuzia shower cream, so I did not have any other option than to pick up this. But this one is also good. It contains green tea. It contains green tea extract. Okay, green tea extract would help to calm your skin. So if you're the type that has a skin that is easily irritated, do you understand? A very sensitive skin. If your skin is so sensitive, this particular one is the one I will recommend that you get. But note that it will not brighten your skin, but it will moisturize your skin. It will lock in that moisture that you are looking for. It will purify your skin, or wash away impurities, wash away dirt, and cleanse your skin so well. It also leaves your skin to be fresh. It protects your skin cells from environmental factors, okay? And it does that. It also soothes the skin. Like this particular one soothes the skin so well. Like those days when I go under the sun and my skin feels like it is burning, and I come back and I have my shower with this, like it calms my skin. I'm not exaggerating. The particular one helps your skin to be very, very calm. And if you're the type that suffers from redness of the skin, I will recommend this also, okay? When it comes to the rating I'm going to give this one, I will give it, I think I will still give it 7/10, or rather 7.5/10, because it just helps to calm my skin. The part of the world where I live in, which happens to be Nigeria, it's so hot, like so hot. And whenever I go out and come back and I use this to have my bath, I'm good to go. Like my skin just calms down, the redness disappears, my sensitive skin just calms down, and everything is just put in order because of this particular shower cream. So I'm rating it 7.5/10. Although I'm not planning to repurchase because it's already here. I'm not planning to repurchase this particular one. Okay. So like I said, for the first one, if you have a dry skin, you purchase the one of the goat milk. But if you have a very sensitive skin, a skin that is always red, very sensitive, very soft, I would recommend that you purchase the one that contains green tea extract. And like I said in the beginning, the cap for this one is green. It's obviously green, so it will help you to differentiate, to know the one that you are buying. So coming to the third one that I have used, that I love, like I really love this one, okay? And you are going to be seeing the reason why I love this particular one, okay? That particular one happens to be this one. I don't know where the cap is. I'm not so good when it comes to keeping empties, because maybe one particular vital thing will actually go missing, but I just hope that you're seeing it, okay? This is it. So this particular one is goat milk with UV white. Goat milk with UV white, okay? This UV white is the ultraviolet protection factor that would help to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays, okay? So if you are the type that you are always under the sun and you do not have money to purchase a body sunscreen, I would say just get this particular goodness in a bottle and thank me later, okay? Thank me later. This particular one cleanses and whitens fairer skin. So if you are light in complexion and you are looking forward to brighten your skin, make your skin to be same skin tone, or if you are caramel in complexion and you're also looking forward to brighten your skin, I will recommend that you purchase this particular one, okay? Purchase this particular one. It is also good for dry skin, sensitive skin, any other skin type that you have, but it helps to brighten your skin so well. This one will brighten your skin like 3 times, okay? 3 times your skin complexion, okay? So stay tuned to know the one that will actually brighten your skin 5 times, okay? So this one promotes an even skin tone, leaves your skin soft and smooth after usage. You see, this particular bottle, I used like, I think up to 4 bottles before I stopped using this one, and then I now changed to the one I just newly purchased. Okay, so when I tell you that something is good, what I mean is that this particular goat milk and UV white is so good. Like whenever I use this to bathe, I use it in my morning shower routine. So whenever I use it to bathe and I go under the sun, I will not be, scared of getting harmed by the harmful UV ray, because I already know that my skin is protected by this particular UV white, okay? It protects your skin. It helps your skin to stay safe from the harmful UV rays. We know what the harmful UV rays can do to your skin. It will make you to have an uneven skin tone. It will make you to have redness. It will make your skin to be easily irritated, and other things that I cannot really talk about on this video, because I don't want this video to be too long or too lengthy. But this particular one also provides UV protection, just like I'm saying, UV protection against environmental factors. Against environmental factors like sun. All right. So for this particular one, I would rate this particular one 9/10, like a solid 9/10, because it does all these things that it says and even more. Okay, do you understand? It does this and more. If you have used this particular one, just leave a comment already, because I know that you enjoyed using it. So when it comes to the one that will brighten your skin 5 times, you're looking forward to brighten your skin before Christmas, you're looking forward to glow, like for your skin to be very radiant, for you to appear very youthful, very young, I would say you should lay your hands on this very one, okay? This very one is the goat milk UV white with turmeric, carrot, and papaya, okay? Papaya meaning pawpaw, okay? Papaya, pawpaw extract. This one was made with pawpaw extract. It was made with turmeric. It was made with carrot. And we know that turmeric is a brightening agent, and also carrot is a brightening agent Also, papaya is a brightening agent. So imagine 3 brightening agents in this very bottle. Hey, you're going to be glowing times 5. When I mean times 5, I'm not joking about it. So it cleanses and whitens for fairer skin. So if you are caramel skin, if you are a fair skin girl, a fair skin person, and you're looking for a shower cream that would help to brighten your skin, that will help to whiten your skin, help you to glow like a baby girl that you are, this particular bottle is the one that you should be purchasing. If you want to brighten times 5, this particular bottle is the one that you should purchase. It promotes an even skin tone, okay? It promotes an even skin tone because it contains these 3 brightening properties. It also leaves your skin smooth and soft after usage. Like anytime I use this, like my skin feels so soft. So soft. Like I said, this particular brand took their time when it comes to like making this product to be super moisturizing to the skin. Okay, so it also provides UV protection against environmental factors because it contains UV white, just as the first one did. The last one I just reviewed, it also contained UV white, and this one also contains UV white. So you are safe using these 3 brightening properties even to go out under the sun because it contains a sun protection factor that will protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. The turmeric is potent and is an antioxidant that will help to soft and smooth and give you a radiant skin tone. And the carrot in this is a good source of beta carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. The beta carotene would help you to, improve your skin complexion. Do you understand? It will help to brighten your skin times 5. And the papaya here is the leading ingredient, just like they said here, okay? It will help to whiten your skin, and it also contains papain. I've said it in my previous videos. Papain is an enzyme that is gotten from papaya, okay? And this particular enzyme would help to promote skin renewal. You remember that I said that when your skin pores are clogged, or when you have dead skin cell on your skin will not glow. Like, you're not going to glow. There's no two ways about it. But this particular papain here is a natural enzyme that would help to exfoliate your skin and give you a new skin so that your pores will be open and your skin will be new. Then any other product that you'll be using after you have used a particular shower cream will work effectively, okay? So it also helps to remove dark circle and clear the skin. It helps, in hydrating your skin, and it also contains lightening properties, just like as I've said before. So how do I use this that it works for me? So the very first thing I want you to know when it comes to using your products is that you are going to be getting an exfoliating scrub, because if you're not going to exfoliate your skin, your pores will be closed. So you'll be using your exfoliating scrub 2 times in a week, and then you'll be using this particular product in the morning, like during your morning bath routine, your morning body routine. This is the product that you're going to use to have your bath in the shower, and you'll be seeing great, amazing results when you use this particular product. And then you go in with lotions that are super moisturizing, just as they are moisturizing as well, and you'll be seeing amazing results. So when it comes to the price of this particular product, I purchased the particular product for 7,500 naira. Okay, so I do not know how much to be selling it in your location, but I know that it will be within 7,500 naira to 9,000 naira, depending on the place you are shopping from. So for all these amazing benefits that I just listed, that these amazing shower creams will give to your skin, which one are you going to be trying out? I want to know your answers in the comment section. And if you have watched this particular point of the video and you are yet to give this video a thumbs up, please remember to like this video, share this video to someone that you know is hoping towards brightening her skin, softening her skin, looking like a baby girl, okay? And also remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It helps me to know that you are enjoying the comments that I am putting up on this channel, okay? And remember to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. And until next time, my loves, remember to stay glowy and bye.